Hey there, I'm going to show you how Jot Notes works. Once you get it installed, you can click on the icon up here. It can give you the list of all your notes. One of the features that you can do is you can select some text and you can save the note. You can add your little note here. Um, and then maybe we just add a note of something like, look for his baseball card on eBay. And then we could say something like baseball, eBay, whatever, doesn't matter. Save the note. Now that we save the note, anytime we visit this page, we can see that the text is still highlighted from what we did last time. And also, up in the upper right, we can see that, hey, we have one note from this page. We click on that, we can see that here, and then we can also toggle between that, some note flows, but also all of our other notes that we have. And then let's say that we want to tie this note to another note. So now if I just go to Wikipedia and go to another random article, oh, perfect, cricket and baseball. Look at that. So we can click Save Note here. Um, Maybe we want to have a cricket versus baseball YouTube video idea, right? Well, maybe we tie this Isaiah guy to, if we typed in an @ symbol, we can search through our other notes and what was it? Wikipedia. It was under Wikipedia. Oh yeah, William Hildreth Hayes. So then we could probably still tag this with baseball and YouTube, and you can see the other available tags that we did from previous. Yeah, we can go ahead and save this note. What's really cool is if we click on the notes again, you can see we only see the notes for this page. If we wanted to, we could cycle through, and then we could see, oh yeah, here's the other note that we just had. If we're just on this page, right, and then I click on this note that I just made. Since I've linked that note, I can actually click on this link that sends me to the tab that I have with the other note I had just made. So really nice, and yeah, so a really nice like linking feature. It takes you back to the other tab. If you somehow close that tab, even if you have the tab closed, you click on that link, it'll open up the tab and then take you to that note. Now, let's say that you have a note that's like randomly deep on a page. So like, let's see here. Perfect. So we have this really long page. And let's say we made a note right here about something. We have no idea. Let's just click Save Note. And let's say we go back to this other page. Let's refresh. Click up here. Go to all of our notes. This is the note that we just made from the other tab. So if we click here, you can see it takes us to that tab, but if we closed out that tab and we click on it again, it'll open it up and it'll automatically scroll down to where we made that note. So really nice feature. The last two features that we can do is we can actually put notes on the page itself, not just in the little sidebars. So what we can do here is, like, let's say I don't know, let's just click over in the top left over here, and that'll bring up the context menu. We can then go to Jot Notes and we can say like add a fixed note. Obviously this can be whatever you want, but yeah, so it's fixed like to the page. So if we say like that's our note, that'll just live right there. So there's also another type of note called a relative note, so they'll just be on the page itself as well, but it'll move with the page as you scroll. So like maybe there's something here for like this note, so I will just right click here and we could type whatever we want, saying something probably that's right next to this note, so we can click and save that, and then as we scroll, it will stay on the page at that position every single time you come back.